What's up, Sin City Food family? It's your favorite food review channel, Sin City Food Reviews. I'm JT.
I'm Mom.
And on this episode, we're at Rampart Casino in downtown Summerlin at Marketplace Buffet. Let's go in there, let's check it out. It is the lunch buffet, $20 a piece. Let's see what it has to offer. Welcome to Sin City Food Reviews. Just a mother and son out to conquer all food that is Las Vegas. Please subscribe so you don't miss our journey. First impression, they have a big selection here. It's spread out. Everything looks clean, fresh. I'm super excited to dig in. Mom's getting her first plate. First impression?
It's crazy. There's quite a few people here, but it's nice. It's really nice. I'm getting to cover half of it.
What'd you get for your first plate?
Salad. I got salad, Caesar salad, and then just a regular salad. Rotisserie chicken, mashed potatoes and gravy, fresh sweet potato fries, and some codfish, and some fried potatoes and onion.
My first plate, I got vegetarian pizza, peel and eat shrimp. I did get some fried cod, sweet potato fries, and mashed potatoes gravy. And then I did get a bacon ranch salad. Cod. Little chewy. Oh, chewy. The flavor of the breading is good, but a little chewy on the cod. Sweet potato fries? Yeah. Are good. Just the right amount of crunch and softness on the inside. Pretty good. Mom's favorite part?
Amazingly so far, it's salad. I like the rotisserie chicken, but the cod is kind of dry and chewy. The fried potatoes and onions are a little bit greasy. The mashed potatoes, they're alright, hit and miss me.
First plate, my favorite was the sweet potato fries and the vegetarian pizza, which sounds crazy because I'm not a vegetarian, but the pizza was really, really good. The flavor of it, there was a lot of cheese on there. Sweet potato fries was good. Salad, not really. Next, I think I'm gonna get some Asian food. The desserts look bomb, so we'll check it out. Plate number 2, I got Meat Lovers Pizza, orange chicken, fried rice, penne pasta with meatballs, and tortellini pasta.
The pizza was a bomb. They put out some fresh green Meat Lovers pizza. I have noodles. I didn't like those. The egg roll is like
Worst ever?
Yeah. The orange chicken is really good. I've never tried it with pineapple, but it's good. The soup The cheddar broccoli. Oh,
And what about the chicken Alfredo? How did that taste?
it's really super good. That's
Is it
my
good?
favorite. Yeah.
Pizza is really, really good here. Not gonna lie, and sometimes buffet pizza isn't really that good, but their pizza is really good here. The tortellini salad, a little dry. The ingredients are good, just a little dry. Orange chicken, I thought it was kind of dry. Fried rice is really good. Let's try one of these meatballs. Not bad. Right in the middle. Not the worst. Definitely not the best. I got one more plate. I got some egg drop soup. I also got some sesame balls. And then I got one more piece of vegetarian pizza. I love it so much. And then I tried some chicken Alfredo. First up, egg drop soup. Too much going on. Way too much going on with the soup. There's like a trillion vegetables in here. And mushrooms and all kinds. Not a fan. Not a fan. Next, sesame ball. No. I'm trying sesame ball. Let's try it. How do you like the sesame ball?
I don't like it.
Pizza's still the best.
I'm ready. Yeah.
Chicken Alfredo. Not bad. Not bad. Final plate, the desserts.
This strawberry cake is really good.
That's hard. Now, Mom's an expert at peanut butter cookies, guys. Mom can make these things homemade. That's her specialty since I was a little child. All right, Mom, moment of truth. Yeah, no. Final assessment lunch marketplace buffet at Rampart Casino. I'm gonna give them a 3. My favorite part was the pizza, sweet potato fries, the desserts. Orange chicken was alright. The flavor was good. It was a little dry, but the flavor was good. And the service is really, really good here. For 20 bucks, you can't beat that. I do recommend Marketplace Buffet at Rampart Casino. Final assessment?
3.5. The sweet potato fries, the meat lovers pizza, the chicken Alfredo was the highlight, and dessert, of course.
We are Sin City Food, and you have been reviewed.